Hello students. Now we are going to start chapter 2, India, Climate and Natural Resources. So open your textbook on page number 6. Now natural resources of our country means खजाना है जो हमें कुदरत से मिला है, जैसे पानी, हवा, ज़मीन, जंगल and minerals. And climate means मौसम. So today we are going to learn about these natural resources, that is water, air, land, forest and minerals, and regarding the climate. India is a vast country in terms of area. Due to the vast natural diversities, the climatic conditions differ from region to region. Climate refers to the average weather condition over a long period of time. Our country is very vast, it is very big, and due to the vastness, there is a vast natural diversities, vividhata, difference, alag-alag natural diversities. In some places, there are desert, rivers, mountains. The Bay of Bengal is there, Arabian Sea, Himalaya, oceans. And because of all this, the climatic condition is different from one region to another. Now, the definition of climate. Climate refers to the average weather condition over a long period of time. So, climate क्या है? मौसम. तो लंबे समय तक किसी भी जगह का मौसम कैसा रहता है उसे हम क्लाइमेट कहते हैं, मौसम कहते हैं. द एल्टीट्यूड ऑफ प्लेस, लोकेशन ऑफ माउंटेन्स, प्लेटोज, डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द सी और ओशन, द टाइड्स एंड करंट्स ऑफ द सी or the ocean and forest cover play an important role in creating the climatic condition of a place. Now, there are certain factors which are responsible for creating the climatic condition, and those factors are the altitude of the place, that is the height of a place, where are the mountains located, the plateaus, sea or oceans, tides and currents of the sea, and how much portion is covered by forest. All these factors, they play an important role in creating the climatic condition of a place. India is situated in the northern hemisphere. Hemisphere means our earth is divided into two parts, and the equator divides the earth into two parts. The upper part of the equator towards the north is the northern hemisphere, and in this hemisphere, one latitude, Tropic of Cancer, passes through the middle of the country, and because of this, climate is colder at the top near the Himalayas, and it is warm, garam rehta hai, in the central region. Then several places of the country are more than 1500 kilometers away from the coast. Due to this, those places experience extreme climatic conditions, with both winters and summers being severe. However, the places situated at higher altitudes are cooler, example Srinagar, Manali. So many places of the country are far away. How much far? 1500 kilometers from the coastal area. And as a result of this, places like Jammu and Kashmir experience more cold, and Rajasthan, which is far away from the coastal area, experience more heat. And like this, winters are cold and summer are very hot. So the places which are at height have cold climate. Example, Srinagar and Manali. Now, this situation is shown in the picture of the maps given below. That in January, how is the temperature, air pressure and wind direction, and in July the temperature, air pressure and wind direction. Then the rainfall. The rainfall in India is due to seasonal winds. These winds do not always blow in the same direction throughout the year. This results in unequal distribution of rainfall in different parts of the country. Thus, Meghalaya and Assam experience heavy rainfall, whereas there is scanty rainfall in the desert region of Rajasthan. Now, how do rainfall occur in our country? तो it occurs due to seasonal winds. सीजन के हिसाब से हवा चलती है. It occurs due to seasonal winds. These winds, they do not always blow in the same direction. एक ही दिशा में से नहीं बहते हैं ये पवन हवा for the whole year, and due to this the rainfall is unequal in different parts of the country. So at some places there is more rainfall, at some places the rainfall is less. The example of this is in Meghalaya and Assam experience heavy rainfall, whereas there is scanty rainfall in the desert region of Rajasthan. Now, page number 7. Southern India, being a peninsula, is surrounded by water bodies along its three sides. Due to this, places near the sea coast experience moderate heat and cold. Consequently, these areas enjoy a moderate climate. The Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats are on the east and west coast of South India respectively. This also has an effect on the seasonal rainfall. Winds changing their course according to the season is a special feature of India's climate. India experiences all the three seasons: winter, summer and monsoon. So, southern India, that is where we live, is peninsula. Peninsula means it is covered by three sides with water, and the three sides covered with water are Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea and Indian Ocean. So South India is covered by these three water bodies. So the places near the sea coast experience moderate heat. Moderate means not very hot and not very cold also. That means not very cold and not very hot. The eastern and the western Ghat are affected by the seasonal rainfall, and winds, they change their direction according to the season, and that is the main feature of India's climate. So India's climate is, the main feature is that the wind change their direction according to the season. सीज़न के हिसाब से पवन अपना रास्ता बदलते हैं. Like this, India experiences three seasons: winter, summer and monsoon. Now the first, winter. India experiences cold weather in December, January and February, and due to the slanting rays of the sun during winter, the temperature falls. Places in northern and northeastern India like Simla and Darjeeling experience extremely cold temperature. Many a times the temperature falls below 5 degrees Celsius, which results in snowfall at times. It is not very cold in southern India as it is comparatively nearer to the equator. Now winter season. So which are the 3 months when it is winter? So it is December, January and February. So now we are experiencing winter season. In winter, the rays of the sun, they fall slanting, ત્રાંસા પડે છે. So the temperature is less. The slanting rays of the sun, they give less heat. So the temperature is less, गर्मी कम है, and it is not very hot. And the places in northern and northeastern India, that is Simla and Darjeeling, they experience extremely cold temperature, and the temperature is so cold that it falls below 5 degrees Celsius and snowfall occurs. जो टेम्परेचर है वो 5 डिग्री से भी नीचे गिर जाता है और बर्फ़ की वर्षा होती है. Southern India does not experience is very cold as it is near to the equator, and South India is near the equator, and so the cold is less. It is not very cold there. Second season is summer. India experiences the summer season between March and May. Due to the direct rays of the sun falling on places near the Tropic of Cancer, the temperature is very high. In many places of central and western India, the temperature ranges between 45 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. During April and June, it is extremely hot in the desert of Rajasthan. So the second season is summer season, and it starts from March till May. In summer, the rays of the sun they fall directly on the places located near the Tropic of Cancer, and so the temperature remains high. So in summer season, the sun rays are straight. Straight sun rays give more heat, and so the place is located near the Tropic of Cancer where the sun rays fall straight. The temperature is high. बहुत गर्मी होती है. Many places of central and western India, the temperature is between 45 degrees to 50 degrees during the month of April, May and June. And also the desert of Rajasthan, it is extremely hot. The third is the monsoon season. Monsoon is a very important season of India. It lasts from June to September. India receives approximately 80% rainfall during these months. So the third season is the monsoon, also known as rainy season, and it is very important for our country India as our is an agricultural country and agriculture is dependent on rain. It starts from June to September. During the season, India receives 80% of rainfall. The winds blowing across the Arabian Sea enter India through the Malabar coast of Kerala. That region receives more than 300 centimeters of rain. Then the winds they blow from the Arabian Sea and enter India through Malabar coast of Kerala, and that part receives more than 300 centimeters of rain. So जो wind से जो हवा है it blows from Arabian Sea, so it carries moisture in them, and these moisture bearing winds they enter India through the Malabar coast of Kerala, and as it contains moisture, more than 300 centimeters of rain falls. The wind blowing across the Bay of Bengal brings rainfall to the eastern part of India like West Bengal, Assam, Meghalaya, etc. Then another winds are there that blow from Bay of Bengal, and these winds which blow from Bay of Bengal they bring rainfall at which places? In West Bengal, in Assam and in Meghalaya. The retreating monsoon winds bring rainfall to Punjab, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand in the month of October and November. Retreating means थोड़ी देर रुकने के बाद बारिश फिर से शुरू होती है. That is retreating, restart. The retreating monsoon winds, ये जो पवन है it brings rainfall to Punjab, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, and all these three places they receive rainfall in the month of October and November. So students, the rest of the chapter we will continue in the next video.